If you've ever wondered how to retrieve Evernote notes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple ways to find a missing note, recover a deleted note, and even check note history if that feature is available on your account. This is a great tutorial if you accidentally archived something, deleted something important, or just can't remember where a note went. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the fastest method first, searching for the note. Open Evernote on your computer or in your browser, then look for the search bar at the top of the app. This is where Evernote lets you search across your notebooks, tags, titles, and even the content inside your notes. Type in a keyword from the note title, a phrase you remember from the body of the note, or even a unique word that you know was inside it. The more specific the keyword, the easier it will be to narrow down the results. Once the search results appear, scan through the list and click the note you want to open. In many cases, the note is still there, and you just needed a better search term to find it. If that doesn't bring up what you need, the next thing to check is the trash. This is the place where deleted notes usually go before they're permanently removed. To do that, stay inside Evernote and look at the sidebar on the left. Click Trash to open the deleted items section. Now browse through the notes in the trash until you find the one you want to recover. If there are a lot of items, you can use the search or sorting options to make it easier. Once you locate the note, right-click it and choose Restore Note. Evernote will ask you where you want to put it back, so select a notebook and then click Restore. After that, the note should return to your Evernote notebooks and be available again like normal. Now, if the note is not in your regular search results and not in the trash, there's one more option you can try. Note history. This is especially useful if you accidentally changed or removed content from an important note and want to go back to an earlier version. Open the note first, then click the 3 dots menu in the top corner. From the menu, choose Note History. If your Evernote plan and account support this feature, you'll see earlier versions of the note listed there. Select the version you want, review it carefully, and restore it if needed. This can save you when a note was edited instead of deleted, or when the current version is missing critical information. So just to recap, if you need to retrieve Evernote notes, start by searching with keywords, then check the trash for deleted notes, and finally use Note History if it's available on your account. Those 3 methods cover most situations and can help you get your notes back quickly without any stress. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Evernote tip or software walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.